Google has just unleashed a game changer in quantum computing, a 69-qubit quantum simulator that outperforms even the world's fastest supercomputers in key calculations. But this isn't just another quantum computer, it's something far more powerful, a tool designed to unravel the deepest mysteries of quantum physics, material science, and beyond. To understand why Google's 69-qubit simulator is such a big deal, let's rewind for a second. Quantum computing has been a dream since the 1980s when scientists like Richard Feynman and David Deutsch first imagined machines that could harness the bizarre rules of quantum mechanics. In the 1990s, quantum algorithms were developed that could potentially break modern encryption. In the 2010s, companies like IBM, Google, and Rigetti built the first superconducting quantum processors. And in 2019, Google's Sycamore processor achieved quantum supremacy, solving a problem in 200 seconds that would take a classical supercomputer 10,000 years. But despite these breakthroughs, we've hit a wall. Quantum computers are noisy, fragile, and incredibly hard to scale. So instead of focusing on general-purpose quantum computing, Google is taking a bold new approach with this hybrid quantum simulator. Unlike traditional quantum computers that struggle with errors and scalability, Google's 69-qubit simulator is designed to do one thing exceptionally well: simulate the quantum world with extreme precision. Google's 69-qubit quantum simulator stands out with its hybrid digital-analog approach, combining digital quantum gates with analog quantum evolution. This unique design enhances both speed and accuracy, making it more efficient than traditional quantum computers. Unlike previous quantum supremacy experiments that demonstrated raw computational power, this simulator is focused on solving real-world physics problems from material science to quantum magnetism. Instead of merely increasing the number of qubits, Google has prioritized maximizing efficiency per qubit, reducing errors while improving computational power. Essentially, this breakthrough acts as a quantum microscope, allowing scientists to explore the intricate behavior of atoms, molecules, and exotic materials in ways that were previously impossible. The potential applications of Google's quantum simulator are truly groundbreaking. In material science, it could lead to the discovery of new superconductors that revolutionize energy transmission. In pharmaceuticals, it has the power to simulate molecular interactions with unparalleled accuracy, accelerating the development of better and safer drugs. When it comes to energy efficiency, this technology could unlock new methods for storing and transmitting energy with zero loss. Additionally, in fundamental physics, the simulator provides a controlled environment for studying quantum magnetism, high-energy particles, and even dark matter. And this is just the beginning. If Google can scale this technology further, we could be on the verge of breakthroughs in computing, energy, medicine, and beyond. Alright, let's stack Google's 69-qubit simulator against its biggest competitors. While IBM and Rigetti are focused on scaling up general-purpose quantum computers with digital gate-based approaches, Google is taking a more targeted path with its hybrid digital-analog model, prioritizing scientific research and simulation over commercialization. Compared to IBM and Rigetti's noisy qubit performance, Google's simulator boasts high efficiency, making it a powerful tool for breakthroughs in physics and chemistry. Meanwhile, D-Wave, with its quantum annealing approach, remains specialized for optimization problems rather than general quantum computing. Looking ahead, the future of quantum computing hinges on several key challenges. Scaling up beyond 69 qubits while maintaining high fidelity will be crucial for Google's roadmap. Additionally, error correction remains the biggest obstacle as noise and decoherence threaten quantum stability. If Google can crack this code, the global impact could be massive, redefining industries, accelerating scientific research, and even advancing energy sustainability. One thing's for sure, quantum simulation might outpace general-purpose quantum computing, revolutionizing how we discover new materials, medicines, and energy solutions. Do you think quantum simulation is the future of quantum computing, or will general-purpose quantum computers eventually take the lead? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep insight, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.